Hi all, I'm Nishchal. So today I'm excited to share a project I have been working on called as PhishGuard-Architect. It's a browser-based AI security agent designed to detect sophisticated phishing attack that traditional tool miss. So current industry problems which we are facing is like phishing defense relies heavily on static blacklist or a simple keyword matching. Hackers bypass these easily using homoglyphs which means using hidden character that looks like a real letters in like for example google.com for they type it as googie.com. So and the next one is brand new domain, so launching a site for 2 hours and burning it before blacklist catch up. And this subdomain abuse, so hiding malicious logging pages deep inside innocent looking URLs. So the solution which I built is we need a tool that does not match patterns but actually the reasons, like human security analyst. That's what a fish guard does. It simulates forensics investigation in a real time right in your browser. So coming to technical architecture, so here we have concept chain of thought, react, that is reasoning plus acting, goal decomposition and planning, and the structured prompting. Before we jump into the demo, let's explain agentic AI concepts powering this tool. It's not just the basic of LLM wrapper, it uses advanced reasoning architecture. So what is chain of thought? L- Large language models are great at predicting a next word, but can be a bad at logic if rushed. So, chain of thought forces the AI to think out loud, step by step, before giving an answer. So, in FishGuard, you will see a live reasoning log where agents writes down uh, its hypothesis. That example, like this domain looks like a typo squad of Google before it makes a decision. This builds the trust. Then comes the react, reasoning plus acting. Uh, so it's how the agent interact with the world. The loop is thought, action, the tool use, and the observation. In Fishguard, the agent doesn't just guess, it acts by querying the simulated threat intelligence tool like Virus Total or Who is, and observes the return data to update its belief. So, goal decomposition and planning. Complex tasks overwhelm AI. Planning involves breaking a big goal, secure the site into dependency based subtasks. In FishGuard, you will see a planner panel that breaks analysis into four phases. One is structure analysis, checking for homoglyphs. Second is reputation check, is the domain new? Third is PKI validity. PKI stands for public key. Uh, is SSL certificate legit, and then the final verdict. So then comes the structured prompting. So we don't know what AI. We don't want AI to write a poem. We need a data. Structured prompting forces the AI to output its internal state in a strict JSON format. This ensures the tool always runs reliably. So here is the prompt which I gave to build this model. So let's go with the demo of it. I have loaded my model. So here in the Chrome extension, I've added my browser. So look at the implementation. The UI is designed for transparency. The top section is input for URL. Uh, The planner panel, this will light up the agents through checklist, reasoning logs, the brain where the where we see the caught in action, and the action log where we see the react tool. So now let's analyze. Like I just showed you, like I entered in email URL. I entered the URL http secure login update.com verify act.net. So when I clicked on analyze, this URL uses a subdomain masquerading technique. So here you could see a planner over here. It started breaking down the tasks. So parse URL structure and homoglyphs, query reputation database. It analyzed the cert for PKI and then synthesize evidence and the verdict. So then it goes into the chain of thought, that is reasoning. It immediately spots the anomaly. Wait, the root domain is verifyact.net and not the secure login update. So here, once after, now the React loop. Once after, now let's go for next part, that is React loop. So it decides to check the domain age, the querying who is, and observation. See over here, this domain, all those details is here, and it was created, the output. So 2 days ago. So the agent combines these facts using the logic. It's a new domain plus financial keywords is equal to high risk or a critical risk, it is classifying. So the card turns red, that is critical risk. It successfully detected the threat not because of the blacklist, but because it reasoned through the evidence. Now let's go with any safe site. Now I want to go enter just like www like google.com with https google.com. When I click on analyze, this is a safe site. The agent follows the same rigorous process. It checks the SSL certificate issued by Google Trust Pro Services, valid for 90 days. It checks the reputation, domain age greater than 20 years. All those details are being seen over here, and then it correctly flags it as a safe. So threat level is safe. This shows that system isn't just a paranoid, it validates trust signals correctly. Now let's go for typo squatting based URLs. So now I enter https google.com only, but this is a typo squat website. See, you see goggle.com. So the agent structure analysis steps calculates the Levenstein distance, a metric for how similar two words are. It realizes Goggle is suspiciously close to Google. So here you could see the word the critical risk. So this domain is also critical. So that's why it equated it to critical. So conclusions. To wrap up, the PhishGuard architect proves the agentic AI is a game changer for cybersecurity. By moving from simple pattern matching to planning a reasoning agent, we can build defenses that adapts networks attack that adapts to new attacks faster than human analysts can write. The full source code is available on my GitHub. Thank you for watching. So it returns the